Good afternoon, guys. I am putting up a slideshow, but I'm going to talk through it since we haven't figured out yet how to do the music properly. So eventually, we'll get music back and the slideshows will be back with music, but for right now, we're not going to worry about it. As you can tell, these are all my beautiful pieces I've got from Mackenzie Childs. Are they not beautiful? I just love every one of them so much. This particular one came with this beautiful bunny pulling this little duck in the little wagon. Isn't it cute? And look at the little parasol he has over his head and the cute little bow tie with the little dots, and then his little black and white thing on his vest. Isn't it cute? I just loved it. And of course the black and white trim on the card itself, and the black and white stripes on the bunny. Everything works so well together. And believe it or not, the little silk flowers in with the little duck are silk. Oh my gosh, isn't it the cutest thing you've ever seen? I can't wait to put this in a display. It's going to be going up pretty soon. Now, we wanted to also share with you that this little duck up and close and personal, for you could see how cute those flowers are. Aren't they cute? Everything about it is finished off so well. Loved all the beautiful color also. Don't you think? And you're not going to believe this. I didn't know it at first either. The actual parasol actually comes off. So if it's not a sunny day and you want to just go out and get some fresh air, you can use it without the parasol. Isn't that cute? Very clever of them to do that. So you can use it either way. Just be careful when you pick it up, not to try to pick it up with the parasol or you might drop it because it will slip right out. You do have to be careful with some of these beautiful custom-made pieces. But can you believe all the custom painting they have done on these projects? It was so beautiful, and of course we always buy it on sale, a little too pricey for regular price. Now this is the one my daughter got, and this little ducky is pulling the little wagon, as you can see, and the little birdie has a little crown on top of that. And see the little black and white around the base of that crown, and then we also have our beautiful black and white check with the yellow and lavender material paint going through it. Doesn't it look beautiful? I can't believe how pretty every piece is and how all the details are finished off. Look at all that beautiful gold paint that they've painted everything with. It is just beautiful, and everything about it is just wonderful. Now you can put anything you want in there. You could put a couple little eggs or anything you'd like. Now hear and see how it looks from every angle and how the base is finished off too. Doesn't it look cute? And then I have mine behind it. See the two of them together? Oh, I love them so. They're such pretty pieces. I'm so happy that my daughter was able to get these on sale. We have some more Mackenzie Child Easter things to share with you coming up, so keep coming back for you can see what other things we are going to have. And like I said, we always have something to share with you every day. And we love you so, and I hope you appreciate and are loving all these beautiful things we're sharing with you. My daughter got this little duck that really has a little thing on the top. You can hang it from her Easter tree, but she wanted to show it in her little cart with her little bird. Doesn't it look cute? I guess she could be pulling a really pretty little girl. Look at those eyelashes. Isn't she beautiful? He's just trying to spoil her. Give her a ride in the little wagon. Isn't it cute? Oh, I loved her so. Look at those eyes. And here she is without being in the wagon, for you can see that she is totally different, completely apart. And it has a little flower on it and the little black polka dots around. Always the Mackenzie theme on everything they do. And then here are their Easter eggs. Look at them. All the beautiful checks in yellow, orange, pink, green, gold. Oh my gosh, it is just beautiful. They are so clever over there. They always find something nice to share. Oh my gosh, aren't these the cutest bunnies? Look at the one in the center with that pretty little flower in her hair and her little chick in her arms. Isn't she cute? And then we have our little bunny with the bow tie that's yellow, and then we have the lavender one. Everything about them is so precious and cute. These will be hanging on the Easter tree. Aren't they going to be cute? I can't wait to share them with you. And look at how well off they're finished in the backside too. See how the little ears go back on the one lavender one. So cute. And of course, these are the Mackenzie Childs collectible. Are they not wonderful? I just love them. They have so many cute different things in their collections. We always find something that we love and enjoy. I hope you're enjoying all these wonderful things we're sharing with you. This is just about the end of this one, and now we're going to go over and check out what we got at Ross. Oh my gosh, you're going to be really impressed with all the things we got over there too. Some beautiful things. Okay, get ready for some more beautiful things from Ross. Well, here we went over to Ross and did some serious shopping, as you can see. We always love a lot of beautiful flowers. We always buy some, as you can tell by all our videos. And we are going to be doing a lot of things with these, probably for Alice in Wonderland. So we're starting to get a few pieces for it, along with getting some more of our Easter displays. These here for Alice in Wonderland have long stems for what our project's going to be. You're going to have to come over in April and see what we do. I think you're going to be amazed at what my daughter is planning. It's going to be amazing. Also, when we were at Ross, we found a lot of these beautiful banner type Easter things because we're still working on Easter. And boy, do we have a lot of Easter posts for you, and we're bringing over. Thank you so much for all your patience waiting for us getting it up. Look at this banner. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. And you know, it goes with some things that I got last year. I can't wait to share them with you. So be ready. We're going to have an awesome good time with these displays we're going to be putting together. And you're going to be amazed at what we're going to do. We've just started putting our Easter stuff together. We're sharing with you some of our prices we put together too. And here is another wonderful of our banners that's going to go across with carrots. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. But you know, the one my daughter made I thought was even cuter. What do you think? These we bought at the store at Ross or the one she made? And of course, you know us, we have to all go all the way out. Here is one of our beautiful pieces here that lights up. Oh my gosh, string lights. Oh, you know, we got to have some of those to make everything look great. And there's some more string lights. Oh my gosh, do we have string lights? And here is a nice Easter pillow that my daughter found. Look at that bunny with its glasses on. Isn't it cute? And of course, you know how much we love flowers. Look at all the beautiful flowers on that pillow also. Oh boy, do we love this. It's just beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing it. I think we've already put that one up already on a post. And here we have some more string lights coming. Like I said, you know, Grandma wants to make sure we have plenty of lights. Oh my gosh, it's going to be such a bright, bright year. And of course, that's why that bunny had to have glasses, for it didn't get blinded by all the lights we're putting up. And then, of course, my daughter found this precious, precious tea setup. Look at it. Can you see something that's ever been that precious and cute before? You know how much we love doing teas. This is going to be one of my favorite pieces my daughter bought. Look at how the detail work on this china. It is so pretty. And it all isn't the same. It's a little bit different. It comes with different setups and different styles. But it's very similar, so you don't get bored. Oh, look at it. Look at that. So beautiful. I love the sugar bowl and the beautiful scallop edges on it and that beautiful glass topper. It is just gorgeous. Everything about this tea set is just, I can't tell you how much I love it. It's just beautiful. Everything about it. And I was so lucky that she was able to find something this pretty with these cute little bunnies walking and hopping all around the place and eating their carrots. Oh yes, we need to get some nice orange carrots for this display, I think too, Maybe Grandma will have to get some miniature carrots. Let's hope she can find some. Aren't they beautiful? This was my favorite thing that we got. Let me know what you thought in the comment section. Which was your favorite thing on this shopping haul to Ross? I thought this tea set was my favorite, but that's just my opinion. I'd like to hear your opinion. And here now you're going to get a better picture of the plates. See, one's eating carrots and the other one's just setting up and looking around. Oh my gosh, but look at the beautiful lavender flowers sprinkled around these plates. Are they not beautiful? I just loved everything about them. And then the little green edge on the ends of the plate, so pretty. Oh my, do I love this set. Well, I'm going to show you what everything looked like from the Ross's haul all at one time on my daughter's couch. It was a lot to buy, but you know we are shopaholics, and we just keep shopping, as you can see. Isn't this a beautiful shopping haul? Let me know what was your favorite. Was it one of the banners, the pillow, the tea set, the lights, the flowers? Oh my gosh, this thing went on, did it not? We got a lot of lights. We're really going to have an awesome good time this year, decorating for Easter. Each year we buy a few more pieces to go with what we have. And some of these pieces look like they belong to pieces we bought last year. So we're going to have an awesome good time. Hope you're going to enjoy coming back to see all these beautiful displays that we're going to put together for Easter. You'll probably start seeing this stuff up in the next 5 to 10 days. So get ready. We're getting ready to do a lot of serious putting tablescapes together, maybe decorate the Easter tree a little more, do a few more cozy nook decorating, and maybe even redo that buffet 1 or 2 more times. You never know what we may do. Or maybe just do a little cozy corner in Grandma's corner of her kitchen. It's sort of hard for Grandma to let things go that she already has set up. But I know that we have to do it to keep having lots of things to share. So thank you much for all of you coming by. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. I'm glad you enjoyed the shopping haul we went on today, and I hope you found some inspiration for Easter and are going to get ready to come over for a wonderful Easter display. Look at that tea set, my favorite. Well, you tell me what was your favorite. Love you a lot. Bye-bye for now.